Here at Console, we've got the Jack H2-L sewing machine in for you today. As you can see, this sewing machine has got a built-in silent servo motor, which means there's no motor underneath the sewing machine and no belt, reducing vibrations greatly. Here we've got the control panel here, where you can adjust the speed of the sewing machine and the needle position if you want it in the most upright or the most downright position. Next to it, we've got the stitch length adjuster dial, which, as you can see, can be adjusted all the way up to 12 millimeters long, and a reverse pedal here. At the top, we've got a bobbin winder, and when we come around to this side, you can see that it's got a half stitch button, where when you press it, it will only do half a stitch, and a light as well to shine in your work area on whatever material you're sewing. We'll now give you a small demonstration of how it sews. So as you can see here, we are just using the half stitch button, and it does just half a stitch there. And as you can see, the walking foot feature really helps pull through heavy fabric and any material that you're sewing. And you've got a great amount of space here when you're working on larger projects, such as big bags or anything else you might do. And that's everything. If you'd like to see any more sewing machines done video or any questions about any of the ones we have, please drop a comment or send us an email. Thank you very much.